Uploading an assignment in Microsoft Teams. To upload an assignment, there is an Assignments tab along the left-hand side. If we click on this tab, it will display every assignment that has been assigned to the student for all of their subjects. However, if we want to just find an individual assignment for a subject, we click on the subject class theme. Once in the class theme, we enter the assignments and it displays all assignments for that subject, in this case engineering. Click on the assignment you want to upload work to and you add work at the following location. A number of options will come up. We can share a file from our OneDrive if you wish, or a link from our OneDrive. This will make an editable document. However, if you already have the document saved to your desktop, to your computer, you click Upload from this device and it brings us to the folders section of our computer. At this point, we now select the document we want to upload. You can search for it and upload the one we want. Once uploaded, click Done. And the final thing we must do, if we upload the wrong document, we can also change that at this point. The final thing we must do, even though the work has been uploaded, we must click Turn In. If we don't turn in, your teacher doesn't receive the assignment. So we turn it in, and that's it. You should get the following notification: the work is now done and sent to your teacher.